and let me show you. Look at this, guys, we have this script. This is amazing farming stats for Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Blox Fruits script for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then type in search Blox Fruits and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our username. So let me paste my here, I already copied. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait for this searching. Okay, user found, nice. Just click connect. Do you have any executor? No. Import newest delta? Yes. And select script that you want to add to your account. Super easy. Okay, let me click continue and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, guys, and believe me, this is the best website ever you can find. Okay, now just scroll down and click verify to complete and let's see next step. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app, or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will this just Play Under Money and Amazon app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this status completed, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait a little bit for this redirecting and let's see the final step. Injection successful, guys. Okay, that's it. So let me open my Roblox and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see. Okay, Blox Fruits, let me play this game and let's test this amazing script. Okay. Okay, guys, look at this. I'm now in the game and we have this thank you for using Delta, this message, and now we must select on this home button and select script that you want to add to your account. Just click execute and let me show you. Look at this, guys, we have this script. This is amazing farming stats fruit. I can't believe it. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.